Welcome to Data Validation 101. I have a little table here with some swabs on the left, and I want to input some code for surfaces on the right. I hit Data Validation from the Data drop-down in the menu bar. Then I select List of Items, and you can type out the codes here, followed by a comma, and each one of these codes will appear in a drop-down in the cell that I've selected. So here are 4 different surfaces. I can hit show warning or reject input, so if somebody tries to put in a different value, it'll reject it. Hit save, and voila. We now have a drop-down with those things that I listed. Pretty neat, huh? All right, well, what if I want to get rid of that, of the drop-downs? Real easy. Just highlight the cells. Go back to data, hit data validation, and remove validation down there at the bottom. They're gone. Okay, now what if I want to grab a whole bunch of data from another spreadsheet? We can do that. Go to data validation, do list from a range. Then select that grid on the far right, and then you can navigate to a spreadsheet and grab data from another spreadsheet. So here I have a whole bunch of surface codes. I grab them, hit OK. I'm going to reject the input again, hit save. Now we go back to the spreadsheet, and voila. So that's data validation. Now you're a pro.